Just filming though.
But make sure you get your video.
Chrissy, what do you want me to do with it?
Oh my god! Where did you find that?
Your truck.
Take it home as a souvenir. Oh, it's so pretty.
Do you want to frame it?
No. You know, a taxidermist? Are you sure it's dead?
It's dead.
I was really expecting.
Times just to make sure.
That's so sad. He's so beautiful.
I was expecting more of a reaction.
Just put him over the fence.
Where the horse is?
No, man, we should keep it.
I could be like that weird guy on Dumb and Dumber and like talk to him and pet him, you know?
I wonder how he died.
I need to go move.
He's an
stuff in his
He
car.
probably
Cardinal.
hit the window. They do that a lot. There was a dead bird in the dog pen like 2 days ago at the dog room. Are you videoing this right now?
Of course I am. It's like, you know, earthquake, but you know.
Oh, I gotta get hay in that barn too.
So what do you want me to do
think
with this?
you could hay the gray barn?
I think that's the end of the
Everything down
reaction.
there except
Let's set it around so people will find it.
Wait, no, just do this. Just
the- Okay,
take
I'm
a
gonna
picture.
go do the...
For jerks.
Look what I found.
Oh, I got money.
Her face though.
Birdie!
Louise, come here.
Do you want to touch it?
Is it real?
Yes, it's real!
Dead.
No, I've seen like these
Like-
birds.
No, it's real.
You know
I
those
did.
fake birds that look like real?
Lulu
real.
wants it. Well, let's see what Lulu will do with it. Yeah, basically.
Let's see what
yeah.
Maddox does.
Come here, Maddox. Let's give you some diseases.
Bird disease, but I'm not getting bird disease.
Look what
Bird
Lulu-
flu.
I'm not getting bird food, I'll tell you. You can't
Lulu want. It's pretty soft,
It is pretty soft actually.
despite the ants crawling up and down its spinal column. I really don't know how to zoom in. Oh, okay.
It's so cool though.
The X.